Hello there. Today I went back down to the Bramley-moore dock to take a look at this roof lift, which you can see here. We didn't get the actual lift in. We got there just after it was lifted on. But as you can see from these pictures, they are all working, securing it in place. So you've now got two of the roof trusses in position. And the next one is going to be on Tuesday, I've been told. They are building the other roof truss tomorrow, so I might fly down and have a little look at that, see if it's worth putting some footage together for that particular video, for a video on that. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, you can leave us a comment, share the video with your family and friends. Yeah, so we're just zooming out. We don't do the whole site here. We're just concentrating on this truss that has been lifted in. So I just pan round, zoom in and out of the actual truss, and we just take a little look, get up a bit higher here to see it a little bit better. Okay, the zoom is coming, here we go. You can see people working away on it there. Basically, they're just securing it in place now. Just gutted we actually missed the actual lift. It's life, isn't it? As I say, this is just a quick update on how the roof's looking. If you have a look towards the back, you'll see a horizontal piece of sheet metal that was already installed, ready to basically keep the roof truss in place. So there's a gap there to the left. So the one that's on the floor is going into that gap on Tuesday, I believe. So I've been told. Tuesday I'll camp outside if I have to, but I won't be missing that. Will not be missing that lift. Yeah, so this piece we're zooming into now is going up to the left on Tuesday, like I said. So we'll be there for that. Yeah, just a quick one, updating you, just showing that it is up and the roof is on its way on the east side. It's on its way to being done. Thanks a lot. Take care. We'll see you soon.